Assalomu alaykum YouTube kanalim obunachilari. Bugun pushti kartali playerni olamiz. Video oxirigacha ko'ring. Xo'p, buni birinchi to'ldirib olaylik. Mbappe. Xo'sh, anunga ham bitta qoldi to'lishiga. Endi sekin shuni to'ldirishga harakat qilib odamlar bilan o'ynaymiz. Endi bu yutqizmaslik seriyam ko'payib ketdi nimagadir. 7-tirga ham chiqib oldim. Bu telefon qatiyapti nimagadir. Nimagadir telefon qatiyapti. Xo'sh, ana ko'ryapsizlarmi? Qatiyapti-da. Ashi yoqmayapti. Ana error bo'lib qoldi. Endi masalan odam topilsa ham normalniy o'ynasak bo'ldi. Ana odam topildi. U ham yutyapti ekan. Desam, mana ekanman. Yaxshi, u qatmayapti ekan-a? Gameplayda. Aytmoqchi, Nuno Mendes olganman maqtanishga. Hozir chap qanotdan Kylian Mbappe zarba, Vitinha. Buni yumshoqda o'ynayman. Biz sizni yutishga keldik, bratan. Pastga o'xshamay qoldi-yu. Mayli. Bar uglovoidlardan uncha gol urolmayman-da. Nimagadir ashi urishni o'rganish kerak. Lamin Yamal. Ularda Yamal himoyada yuribdi. Bizda Bastoni hujumda yuribdi. Hozir nima bo'ldi? Fetlik qilishdi. Hozirgacha.
Quality defending there.
Xo'sh. Long ball bilan o'ynashyapti. Kurtuva ana shu ko't odati bota, o'sha chiqib oladi, keyin turadi, to'p topmaysa, ko'tga o'xshab.
This is Haaland. What a chance. And it's there.
Birinchi gol. Hisob ochilyapti, lekin biz ochmadik. Mayli, comeback bo'ladi. Bitta pas bilan ketaman demoqchi edim endi, prosta tushamay qoldi.
He's taken back possession. Haaland drives forward.
Hozir chap desam Erling Haaland qishqat etdi. Qilib aytganda ishtangaga tepdi.
A determined tackle.
Nimagadir o'yinim chiqmayapti. Kecha gameplay og'ir.
Yamal looks comfortable on the ball. What an opportunity. He looks at the fans, hope he can continue. Pumped into the danger area.
Ko'tarildi va o'lim topilmadi xolos. Mbappe hujumga ketadimi desam, voy belashi.
Throw in here.
Qattiqda. Sekin pas beramiz ochiq tomonga. Keyin Mbappe.
He's racing ahead with the ball.
Mbappe.
Is this a goal?
Shuna xotirjam jarima maydoni ichida yugurib yuraveramiz. Farqi yo'q. Farqi yo'q.
Let's take another look at that.
Chiqib ketdi va nihoyat biz super comeback amalga oshirdik. Brunodan 4-1 ketdi. Siqib qo'yaverasizlar. Bitta Isak bilan Hausen ketdi. Varatani olib qo'yim kim pastligini. Yo'q, kerak emas. Chicha qopdi. 75dagi bosib yuboraymikin demoqchi edim. 75da isrof bo'ladi, isrof. Shuning uchun yana bitta o'ynab qo'yamiz. Yutqazmaslik seriyasi. Xo'sh. Bo'ldi, o'tgan yil ochilgan ekan. Undan o'tgan yilgi klassik playerda o'tgan akkauntni bor edi menikida ham. Hozir Erling
He went for it but missed the target.
Chapaqaya
Player
Holland.
stares at the floor. He knows that should have been a
Chap
goal.
oyog'ida hozir qishloqqa tepdi.
That's a poor pass.
Golli vaziyatlarda shunaqa qilsa yarashadi, lekin hozir u chichib qo'ydi u Hakimi.
Hakimi tackle.
Lekin chichganini to'g'riladi.
Openda.
Openda.
He did well to win the ball
Yeah.
back.
Shuna bitta pas bilan shu oldiga pas
He's up
bersak,
to full
Miba
speed now.
Midarazi.
It'll be
Qarab
a
turinglar,
throw.
mashinani yutmasammi? Boraman mashina ko'pda.
This is Haaland.
Bos. Молодец,
He's
Salah.
darting forward.
Salah.
He's racing
Dirmadi.
And Salah scores.
Iye
Goal from
ko'tlar.
the injured player. He's
Voy
gritting
pidara.
his teeth and playing on.
Jarohat topdi. Nimaga
Oh, he
sariq
can't
qizil
have any
bas?
complaints there. It's a yellow
Qarab
card.
tursin, buyisini. Vaqti
What a well-timed tackle.
so'kinmay deyman, bir
He's running
so'kintirishadi.
at the opposition.
Ko't.
He saved his team with that tackle.
Xo'sh, u ham bitta pas bilan menga o'xshab
This is
ketmoqchi edi. Gabriel shuni cho'ntakka solib qo'ydi. Gapimga
He's
tushdi.
moving fast with the ball.
Llorente hujumga chiqdi. Ohohoho!
Hakimi with his great run. Well, they needed to get that one away.
She'r yozib
and
olsam
they
bo'lar.
have. Valverde with the ball.
Chiziq ustida to'xtab qoladi. To'p.
Llorente.
Keyin tepadan zarba!
Great technique
Harry!
there. Kept his
Qanday
eye on the ball
gol.
and placed his
Llorentedan
header well
pas.
to put it past the goalkeeper.
Va super gol. Kallada urildi, kallada.
Koundé in possession.
U yaxshi o'zini paytida harakatni olib bergan ekanman.
He's won the ball back.
Hozir Holland yaxshi o'ynayaptimi yo keyinmi? Kommentariyada yozing.
Quality defending there. Senses the danger and gets it away.
Yana Holland.
Erling Haaland.
O'zi ikkita o'yindan beri Holland
First half is over.
bu
2-0
akkaunt
the
bilan
scoreline.
tushyapmiz.
But there'll be
Lekin
plenty of
u
twists and turns
yuksalmayapti.
in the second half.
Bitta gol urdi, to'g'ri, prosta.
Gabriel.
Yo'q, u gol urganda sizlar yo'qdilar.
Great understanding between this team.
Aniq qilayotganda video yoqmadi.
Great save by Ederson.
Hozir Ederson Marais.
He's taken back possession.
Yo, Neveshdan Nuno Mendes qishloqqa pas berdi. Qishloqdagi Ederson, ana offside.
He times his run badly. It's
Shuna
offside.
vaziyatlarda Mbappe chichipayapti,
That's good link-up play.
Ketdik, bos.
And he's won it back for his team. The defense were caught out,
Maladies.
and now he's through on goal.
Ederson.
Great reflexes. He reacted to that
Yaxshi,
long
hozir
distance
kartasi
shot.
yo'q Edersonni.
Oh, so
Sop
close
qo'yganda
there.
yomon ish bo'lardi, lekin boru
Let's look at this attempt again. No
100
wonder the
mingdan
players
atib
thought it was
borardim
going in.
dilisiga.
Uses his head.
Lekin unaqalar
The striker picks it up.
hozir Llorente hujumga chiqyapti. Hakimi, Gabriel,
Played in field.
Holland.
It's opened up. Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it. And his
Holland.
hard work and determination have paid off
Bir
there,
atandi
as he
yig'lab
finds
degani.
himself on the score sheet.
Hech nima qilmaydi.
Mendes.
Yo'q. Keyin.
This is Kane. Great
Ayni
run.
holda bu
Gabriel with a tackle.
hakamga pul beribdi.
That was a bad pass.
Hakam sotilibdi, ko'tlar.
They're all
Endi
trying
yo'q,
to
himoyani
get
yaxshi
that
ushlash
one
kerak. Yo'q,
valuable goal.
yana bitta gol urib olish
Moving down
kerak.
the flanks here. A strong tackle.
Vah, bilat, ana gol urib qo'ydi ana.
They're winning.
Courtois. Uzoqdan tepinglar bu Courtois ushlab Malades.
He's got the ball and is in
Tashab
full sprint. Great save by Ederson.
Baratani chiqardi deb o'ylab, qarasam chiqarmabdi.
Bastoni with a tackle.
Lekin baribir yutyapmiz. Bastoni.
Fantastic game here to start.
Sentralizashtinglarni
The play was
ikkalasi ham
excellent. Let's hope the next
chapaqay.
time these teams meet, it'll be equally exciting.
Baribir nima dedimmi? Yutamiz dedimmi? Xo'sh. Salahni jarohati ketar. Va nihoyat pushti kartali o'yinchini olamiz. Rodri bilan Kukureya kelibdi. Davay. Endi ochamiz. Bitta yana qofiyali gap kelib qolsa edi, yaxshi ish bo'lardi. Marokashlik Neftchi futbolchisi yangi transfer qatida transfer bozorida anaqa taklifing 78. Chota u yarim himoyachi. Menimcha yarim himoyachi. Yoki tezlik yaxshi, ammo bu zashta bo'lib chiqyapti. Chap qanot himoyachisi nima? Sizlarga kim tushdi? Kommentariyada yozib qoldiringlar.